Hi everyone, welcome to the Enguru Live feature. Today we are going to learn about some of the features that we can use in the live class. If you click on the app and then click on live, it directly takes you to your ongoing class. If you click on the screen, you can see several options. On the left top corner, you can see the topic for the day. On the left bottom corner, you see a hand picture. You can raise your hand to let the teacher know that you have a question. The teacher will then lower your hand and then you can answer or interact with the teacher. The mic button means that you are now on mute. It will blink green if the teacher decides to unmute you and she wants you to participate in a question or let's say an activity. Clicking on the screen and looking at the top right corner, you see these chat blobs. You can click on them to go to the chat box. There's a group chat through which you can interact with everybody in the class, as well as the teacher chat using which you can talk to the teacher alone. You can click on the back arrow to go back, or if you wish, you can click a hi and send it to the teacher. And that's about it. You go back to your class and learn using Enguru's live class feature. Happy learning!